Hi, it's Philip from Ivercy. Today I would like to show you how to get a local copy of your database from a Subversion repository using Ivercy and the AgentSVN MSSCCI-Provider. In Access, I will go to the Open Other Files section of the Backstage, to the Ivercy tab, and first I should adjust some default options. The SCC provider compatibility settings section is what I'm after. And I need to change ignore status from SCC populate list to yes. And I should set pre-create working folder when adding to SCC to yes as well. I'm going to save that. And now I can hit the create from default SCC provider button. So now the first thing you should notice is here is the aux path. That is the repository path we have pre-selected. If that is not the correct path for your project, you can change it by hitting the aux path button and change the path manually here. But my project is actually in that path, so I'll leave it as it is. I can now hit the list button to look at the repository path. It's just a text window displaying the projects in there. But the MyTestDB project is what I'm after. So everything's fine. But I suggest you copy that text to the clipboard because you're going to need it in a minute. So now the project goes in here. I just pasted it from the clipboard, and now there's a little peculiarity of AgentSVN you need to deal with. You would usually select the local path. I've got this one, and usually you would just hit OK here. But for AgentSVN you have to pre-create the temporary folder that Ivercy needs. And it has to be the project name from the repository. I inserted that from the clipboard. Underscore Ivercy temp, TMP without the E. So I created this folder and select it and say OK, and it shows up in the local path here. And now I can actually hit OK, and Ivercy and AgentSVN will create your local copy of the project as they usually will. Now Ivercy is importing all the files to the database. Import complete, and you see the blue log symbols appearing here. So everything looks great here. Now you can just check out files as you normally would. Need to enter my credentials for the Subversion repository. And the red check mark indicates a checked out file. And now I can edit this file here in my database. Should close the output window. Can change any stuff in here. And yeah, just close that, save it, and then select check in from the menu. So we're done here. Checked in, everything works. The rest would work as you usually do with Ivercy. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.